Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Chrome browser on MSI Claw. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Microsoft Edge, or if you've already installed different browser, you'll be able to open other one. Then in the search or in Google, we'll need to type in Google Chrome. Here we can click on Google Chrome website, make sure it's from official Google one, and then download the Chrome. After a few seconds it should start to download. If not, we can download Chrome manually. And here's the setup. We can open that file, proceed with the setup. And here we have it, our Google Chrome is installed. Next thing we should do is sign in if you previously used it to synchronize all of the data. If not, you can click on Don't Sign In, and you can also set it as your default browser. I'm gonna skip it, and here's our Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.